In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can hide your playtime here in Forsaken. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Roblox Forsaken videos just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're trying to hide your playtime here in Forsaken, begin by loading into Forsaken, because this is actually a setting that you can change within the game itself. Once you do go ahead and get into Forsaken, what you're going to want to do is navigate to this left-hand sidebar over here and select settings. And on the settings screen, if you scroll all the way down, there's going to be a privacy option. Find the privacy option and there's a setting within here that says hide playtime. Go ahead and tick this box right next to it to turn it on. Now, when you go ahead and click on the settings gear again and go back to your profile, you're going to notice that your playtime is completely hidden. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.